Good morning, I'm Eric Bengson. I'll show you around Ducati Manila and pakita ko sa inyo yung mga Ducati lineups natin. First here is the Ducati Hypermotard SP. Top of the line for the Hypermotard. 950cc. Price is 1,700,000. Okay, next is the Devil 1260S. Equipped with all-in suspension, front and rear. Price is 1,799. 1260cc. Next here is the Multistrada B4S. B4S, yes. Price is 2,160, but now naka-promo siya at 1,850.
Sir, hanggang kailan po yung promo natin?
Wala siyang time, pero as long as na meron tayong
stocks,
yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, pakiulit, how much?
1,850 at promo price.
Ducati V4
Multistrada B4S. 4-cylinder, 1150cc. Okay. Next is here our Ducati Desert X. Okay, 950cc siya na off-road. Price is 1,590 for the base bike. Not included pa yung mga pannier, the crash guard. Yan. Here, sir. This is our Ducati Panigale V2 in white color. Price is 1,380. Yan.
Sir, ilan cc po to?
Okay, 955cc. Super Quadro engine. So, okay din to pang track and road. Next here, sa family rin ng Panigale V2. This is our numbered bike. The Bayliss, Panigale V2 Bayliss. Yan, Troy Bayliss ang ano niya.
Ang series.
Yes. So yan, single swing arm, carbon tip for the exhaust. Numbered siya, here. Ito yung ano niya.
Limited, sir?
Yes, limited. Konti lang ang ginawa nito.
Sir, how much po to, sir?
This one, 1,585.
1,585. Okay.
Next is our Panigale B4S. Price is 2,520.
Sir, pagkakuha natin, all decals kasama na?
Yes, actually pinaint natin siya.
Okay.
Ito naman is the race replica Panigale B4 2022 Alvaro Bautista. Yes. So ayan. Ano to? Numbered din to, sir. So kung makikita mo is 168 out of 260 na
units.
Production. Then kung mapapansin mo dito, sir, ito focus mo dito, sir. Meron siyang ano, signature talaga ni Alvaro Bautista. Next is the Panigale B4 SP2. Ito numbered din to, sir. Pero not unlike the Bautista, yun, merong out of ano eh. Pero ito numbered din, same with the Troy Bayliss edition.
How much to, sir?
This one, 3,175, sir.
3,175. Street Fighter?
Street Fighter, of course. Pinaka natin. Limited edition dito na Street Fighter collab with Lamborghini. So, ito, sir po. Focus natin.
Number din?
Yes, 359 out of
630.
630 units all over the world yan, sir.
Naka-pipe na rin, sir?
Naka-pipe na rin, yes. Carbon na mga carbon siya.
All-ins suspension.
All-ins, yes, electronic. Tsaka kung mapapansin mo, iba ang fairings ng Street Fighter Lambo sa Street Fighter na B4S and B4.
Okay.
So meron siya mga vents here sa gilid, carbon yung ano niya.
Mga fins.
Yes. Wings, tapos meron din siyang air dam.
Sir, how much ulit?
4.7 sir, kasama yung exhaust.
Kasama exhaust.
Wheelbarrow exhaust.
Okay.
Hi, good morning again. For the Scrambler lineups natin, here is the Scrambler 1100 Dark Pro, 1100cc, and price is 925. So yan, naka-exhaust na siya ng double, pero that's still the stock. Then 17-inch rims. Adjustable lang forks, so yan. Second one is the Scrambler 1100 Tribute Pro. Yan, spoke wheel siya. Yan. Then,
Sir, tube ba yan or tubeless?
Tube pa rin to, sir.
Tube pa rin, okay.
Yes, oo. So adjustable pa rin ang front forks. Then brown seat, kung mapapansin mo. Yan. Very classic ang tsura nung 1100 natin. Then, ang difference nito from the 1100 Dark Pro is mas mababa yung handlebars. So, mas sporty siya and yung ng pagka-classic nandun. Then the third one, ito yung ating 2G na Scrambler. Scrambler full throttle. Ayan. 800cc. 790 yung kanyang SRP. So, ayan, naka-aftermarket na Scrambler turn signals na siya. Then lower handlebars din. Then iba na rin yung kanyang screen, TFT screen niya. Comes with a quick shifter. So up and down na to. So very convenient para sa mga riders. Yan. 790. So ayan yung price niya.